again, congratulations again. Congratulations to camaraderie. Dili man tanan mo laot, but you are well enough recognized with your great effort. So once again, congratulations.
Very best, Barangay Captain o Barangay Gusa. Marlo, Marlo, Marami ka, balik ka. Congratulations! They will receive 700,000 pesos!
Pakalatan na si Ramos. Everybody is here for Barangay Gusa, Cagayan de Oro City.
Alright!
Also, a round of applause kay ilaha kayo ng ipanitabukan. Walang init, 24/7 in a week. Grabe. They deserve this win.
After the hard work of our dancers, our choreographers, our dance masters, finally, namin nagbunga na gano'n nila ang pinagirapan. Ay, congratulations Barangay Gusta! Winning 700,000 pesos plus a big trophy. No, hinimo na mga. That is a symbolic